Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, once again, welcome back on my channel. Here I am representing an awesome, thrilling platform, very exciting project for my audience. Before starting their amazing, exciting review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, I always come with an amazing and awesome platform for my audience, guys. So, guys, let's start review now. Welcome to Monkey Pump. And guys, we are prepared to take off, and our destination of Monkey Pump is now on the Mars. So beware so you don't miss the space of X. And here you can see that we have to partnerships with Dex Screener, Rhythm, Bird Eyes, Solana Scanner, and we are guys basically on Solana blockchain. And guys, I have placed all of the Monkey Pump official links in my video description. You can click here and you can join here. And guys, I have to say something that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So, guys, here you can see that our bluish graph of dex screener. Later, I will show you this pumping bluish graph, guys. Here I tell you how you have to buy, guys. You have to simply create a wallet. Which wallet? You have to go to on your Google Chrome, and here you have to download an extension of Phantom Wallet, and then you have to select a currency like Samsol, and then you have to go to connect you to on Rhythm, and here you put your monkey pump address on Rhythm and select that's how much you want to buy pumpy coin. And then before add click on confirm, you have to check out, you have to put official contract address, and then you have to switch to solve for monkey pump. So here is you have to vibe chill hodl everybody here. And here is we have to spread the positivity about the project. And guys, you also join here, you get a lot of profits, so you have to spread monkey pump at everywhere in the every corner of the world. So guys, this is our technomics. Here you can see that our token name is monkey pump, and here you can see that our symbol is monk pump, and 1 billion is total supplies, guys, and this is the decimal. And here is our official contract address. When you are buying, you have to officially check this. And as here you can see that our airdrop is 10.1%. Marketing we have to select 25%, 26% to, and team advisor 15%, and the private investor will do 11.2%. And on markets we have to do 37.5. So guys, what is Mars mission map? Here you have to see we are set is called using starships, rockets, and very AI powers on your joint space mission. And guys, we have to do in phase one start our launch on Dex Screener at Bird Eye, at Gico, and we have to do our new websites and get our members on our TG, on our FB, and over on our Twitter account. In phase two, guys, we have to do our airdrop where you can 1000 get your coins, and we have to increase our members in our Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook. And guys, in phase three, we have to do a more increment members at Monkey Pump of community Twitter, Telegram, and we have to do another airdrop coins for our audience and listing on the coin market cap. So on phase four, we have to do landing, soft landing on Mars. So I will pump the monkey, send him to the Mars. That's that by the Trump. Here you can see that you have to join the monkey pump community right here today. And guys, these are our social medias account. Like this is our Telegram community where you have to join for our latest updations news about monkey pump. And guys, this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, and retweet here. So let's out be friend, be a penguin. Here you can see influencers review about monkey pump here. And guys, this is our dex screener review. You can see our bluish graph at on my screen, guys. Our current price here. You can see before it go very high and you get profit. You have to join here. You have to invite your friends here, and all of the our official links is also available on dex screener. And this is our liquidity, our market cap. And guys, here you can see that all of the transactions history holders who have buy monkey pump, and we are basically on Solana blockchain, as I am again telling you guys. So you have to join here right now and grab your tokens here, grab your positions right. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.